Adjust item opening balances. You may adjust your opening balances due to errors or due to changes in accounting policies or changes in inventory or sometimes due to changes in ownership. You can access this function from Items, Special, Adjust item opening balances. Select the item you want to adjust opening balance. After you select the item, system will display current opening balance cost and current opening balance quantity. You can change the new opening cost and new opening quantity. You can select opening balance as a date and enter reason why you are changing the opening balance. After that, you can save Adjust item opening balances. After you adjust the opening balance, system will change the quantity on hand. However, you adjust the opening balance, your average cost will not recalculate.